Hey everyone, this is Karine. I just want to give you a review of Imperfect Food. They're a food delivery service that we use here in New York. I'm not sure if they're in any other states, but if you're in New York City and you're looking for a food delivery company, this is the one that we use. Now we've been using them for about 2 or 3 months now, and I get my delivery every other week. So stay tuned and I'll show you what we got in our box this week. Bye.
So if you live in an apartment building, if you have small children or you're physically impaired, note that they do not deliver to your apartment door. So I received a text message saying that my order was delivered, plus the delivery person rang my doorbell. This is not the only food delivery service that we use. If you see in the background, we also use Thrive Market. That was our second time ordering from Thrive. But we also use all these Instacart delivery service. So what I like about Imperfect Food is that they're considerate. If they're short items, of course they'll take it off my my final bill, but they may throw in an extra. So for example, last time I received an extra mango, and it was delicious. So this is my order of sweet potatoes. I ordered 4 pounds. I also ordered 3 pounds of the beets, and they were 99 cents per pound. I ordered 3 mangoes, and the price for the mangoes were $2 for 3 mangoes. And the sweet potato was $1.75 a pound, and this is organic sweet potato. The grapes are not organic, but they were $3.20 for 2 pounds, and I ordered 4 pounds total. So this is my second box. And with Imperfect Food, they deliver to each borough on a specific day. So one of my friends who told me about this company, she's in the Bronx and she gets her delivery on Monday, and my delivery is always on a Thursday. So I receive an email on Monday, let me know that my window to shop your website is at 2 o'clock. So at 2 o'clock I log in and I can add items to my cart, and then I have until the following day at 3 p.m. to finalize, and then my order is delivered 2 days later. So carrots, this is my normal order. I always order a couple bunches of carrots. So these potatoes were 99 cents a pound, and I ordered 4 pounds. And I saved these clear bags from other grocery stores, so I can use it with items that I get from Imperfect Food. So this is my third and last box. And Imperfect Food, like more of the branded items, like maybe you'll see some of the items I get, like bread or a sauce or syrup. They may not have it the next time you order, because they're getting items from companies that have an overstock. So you're going to find that their prices are a little bit lower than a traditional store, like maybe a Whole Foods, or maybe you're a grocery store selling items like this. Wraps like this near me would be maybe like $6 or $5, and I paid about $3 for those. My husband turned me on to Dave's Killer Bread, so we buy that often. The sliced bread, the bagels, so I definitely recommend them. And they also carry that at Target. So this yogurt is a cashew milk yogurt, so it's dairy free, and I really like this. You can get this at Whole Foods and probably some other stores. I haven't tried this yet. It's a sun-dried tomato ketchup, so it just seemed interesting. I tried a apricot barbecue sauce by the same brand in a previous order, and we really like apple cider vinegar is $2.75, which is cheaper than the Bragg's. The Skinny Sticks maple syrup, I bought it because it's sweeter than the regular maple syrup, and so I'm using it when I make granola. And the maple syrup is $7. So this cheese they gifted to us because they were short 2 items. I ordered yellow squash and they didn't have any, so they gave me extra of the green, of the zucchini, and they also threw in a block of cheese, so that was pretty awesome. We're not eating dairy, so this will be gifted to a friend. Yep, so I definitely recommend Imperfect Food if you live in New York City, and you can just Google them and see if they're in other states. But yeah, this is our haul. So we'll place another order in 2 weeks, and I'm really happy with them. So I would definitely recommend that you try Imperfect Foods. And we bought a few bottles of the apple cider vinegar because I'm going to be making tinctures with them, and I'll be showing that in the process in the video. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and thanks for watching. Bye.